Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by closing Chrome and stopping any lingering processes. This prevents file locks. Next, verify your Mac OS version and available disk space because outdated OS or full disks cause crashes. Backup your Chrome profile by copying ~library/application support/Google/Chrome to your desktop so you can restore bookmarks and settings if needed. Once done, relaunch only one tab to observe behavior. This isolates extensions and cache issues, making the next steps faster and safer. Now you clear stored data to remove corrupted caches that often break page loads. Use Chrome's Clear Browsing Data, choose Advanced, and remove cached images and cookies for recent time ranges. Then open Chrome in Guest or Incognito. This runs without extensions, so you can see if an extension caused the issue. If problems stop, disable extensions one by one. Also create a fresh Chrome profile and compare behavior. A working new profile indicates profile corruption, which you can then migrate selectively. To finish, remove Chrome fully. Drag the app to trash and delete the application support/Google/Chrome folder so you remove hidden corruption. Then download and install the current Chrome build. After install, import bookmarks and passwords from your backup copy, but add extensions cautiously. Make sure to sign into your Google account only after verifying stability. If it still misbehaves, test in a separate Mac OS user account or reset network settings. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether the problem is system-wide or confined to your user profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.